Alcohols can be used in a variety of ways in synthesis, and it's useful to take stock of just what targets can be made from alcohols. They play such a central role. Let's see what compounds can be made from them. And then also, let's take the next step and see what could be done with those targets that you can make from alcohols. So I'm going to make a table. I'll write the structure of the target, what kind of alcohol, and then the use of the target. Alkyl halides are made from alcohols, where X is either chlorine or bromine. Remember, this sign is a could come from. And alkyl halides, well, they're used in substitution reactions. So we'll just put nucleophile there. They're used to make alkenes. And importantly, for the chemistry we just learned, they are the precursor for Grignard reagents. Aldehydes and ketones are made from alcohols. And aldehydes and ketones, you will see, have a role in lots of synthetic reactions. But for what we know right now, they're useful for making alcohols, but with an additional alkyl group attached. Here's the alkyl group attached to a Grignard reagent, and here's where that comes from. So this combines chemistry that we learned in this chapter, making Grignard reagents from halides, reacting Grignard reagents with carbonyl compounds to make alcohols, and making carbonyl compounds from alcohols. Carboxylic acids come from primary alcohols. We haven't learned the chemistry of carboxylic acids yet, but I can tell you that there are several products we make from carboxylic acids, so this will become important as we learn more chemistry. Alkenes come from alcohols by dehydration. And several things can be made from these alkenes, including alkyl halides, by addition, alcohols that have the other regiochemistry, by addition, diols, by addition, and cleavage to carbonyl compounds. Are all kinds of things that alkenes are used for. All are products that you can make from alkenes. And then finally, a couple of small things that you already know, but we should put out there. Alkoxide anions are good bases that are used, and they come directly from the corresponding alcohol. And the use, of course, is as a base. And nucleophile. And tosylates are made from alcohols. And their use is in substitution reactions. So we would expect to replace the tosylate by a nucleophile. So there you have it, a thumbnail sketch of how we can use alcohols to make a variety of targets. Alkyl halides, carbonyl compounds, alkenes, alkoxides, tosylates. And you see that the list of things those targets are useful for is already extensive. So alcohols play a central role in organic synthesis as precursors to make targets, and those targets often are very useful as precursors for other compounds.